Your check engine light is on.
Mm-hmm.
Typically that's an indicator to, check your engine.
It's fine. It's been on for like a month.
Well, actually, that would be all the more reason to, check your engine.
Sheldon, it's fine.
If it were fine, the light wouldn't be on. That's why the manufacturer installed that light, to let you know it's not fine.
Maybe the light's broken.
Is there a check engine light?
The first car was invented around 1880. The first check engine light was created about 1960. So for 80 years, people drove around their cars and had no idea when things were going to fail. Well, that's kind of the way it is with computers. Your computers are going to fail eventually, and nobody knows when it's going to happen until we created a check engine light for your computer. This is the most important part of your computer. It's not the most expensive part, but it's the most important part, your hard drive. It's got everything stored on there, your Windows, you've got documents, settings, photos, finances, all your programs. It has the things that make your mouse work, your printer work, all that kind of stuff is stored on a hard drive. Now this thing spins at 5,000 RPM. That's twice as fast as your car goes when it's on the freeway. And it's got all these moving parts, and it's got a little needle like this that gets the information off the computer. Well, these things can fail. In fact, if you look at this chart, you can see that in the first year it has a high failure rate, about 5% in the first year. Then it kind of levels off a little more, just adding a couple percent per year. Then after the third year, it takes a drastic drop at about 12% failure in addition per year. So you're looking at a 1 in 3 chance of your computer failing in the first 5 years, or a 50-50 chance of it failing in the 7th year. And those aren't really good odds. But wouldn't it be great to know exactly what they are? Well, your hard drives have like a circuit board, an electronic device that tells about the history of your laptop, or your hard drive, about how many hours it's been on, how many times you've turned it on and turned it off, errors on the platter itself. It has all that information. Your computer just didn't have a way for you to hear it. So we've invented a program that goes on your computer and sends us a notification if there's a hard drive critical failure that we consider a critical failure. And we're going to send you an email if anything like that happens. Now, this is a part of our managed care program already anyway. Managed care is our program that we monitor for this. We do tune-ups. You get 10% off labor, $80 off new PC prep, concierge service, priority service, a whole bunch of things. But basically, we took that down to something called budget care. Budget care is $50 per year up to 5 computers. So we don't do all the maintenance on there. We just monitor it, and then I'll let you know when something goes wrong. So what we do is when you sign up for it, we'll send you an email. You install the program yourself, takes about 3 clicks, and it'll start monitoring. And then we'll send you the email. Now, if you have if you want to try it out just for 1 month, we're going to do 1 month free. That way you can run this on your computer. You can get that report of how many hours it's been spinning, and you can cancel after that if you want to, and you don't even know it's $50. But if you do get one of those errors, you'll be able to bring it in. We're going to do a second diagnostic on your computer for free to confirm that error is correct, and then we'll let you know what you need to do with your computer. Anyway, if you want some more information on this, why don't you send us an email at this email address right here. Now, please don't call, because with 8,000 clients, we're going to have a lot of phone calls over the next few weeks. But if you could email us, we'll send you the information on how you can just click on this link and connect it to your computer, and we'll get going from there. We want to keep you safe as possible for as low as possible with budget monitoring at minimum. Managed care includes this as well for $19 a month, but budget care covers it for $50 for a whole year for 5 computers. That's less than 2 cents a day. So give this a consideration. Hope to hear from you soon.